In today's video, I'll show you how to restore deleted Google account on your laptop or PC. First, open your web browser, such as Google Chrome, and search for Restore Google Account. From search results, open the first link. Once the page opens, scroll down the page, click on Recover Your Account. Click on Complete Account Recovery Steps, then tap on Account Recovery page. Now, enter the email address of the Gmail account you want to recover and click Next. After that, enter your last known password for the account and click Next again. Once you complete the verification, Google will give you the option to restore your account. Then click on Continue. After finishing all the steps, your Gmail account will be successfully recovered. And that's it. That's how you can easily recover a deleted Gmail account on your PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.